I've had my food truck going on 3 years now, and you learn something every day. You learn how to improve, how to get things out faster. And I decided to do an event for my daughter's school. My daughter teach at Shadydale Elementary. So the students were doing good and everything. So I told her, hey, I'm gonna feed your kids. We're gonna do some nuggets and fries, and we'll fry some chicken for the teachers. And she said she was so excited. She said they would love that, Dad, 'cause they get tired of eating that cafeteria food. So we went. It was me, my son, and a guy we hired named Jesse, and we cooked a lot of nuggets and fries. We fed all these kids in an hour and a half, and that's moving. 500 to 600 students. That's moving. But I learned something very important from this event. Especially in Houston, I'm used to the hot weather, and it was a little cool. So when you're trying to run three deep fryers, 40-pound deep fryers, the gas is pouring out, the propane is coming out real fast, so it tends to freeze up. One thing I need to do is get a heater. I'm gonna get one of those propane bottle warmers. You can wrap it around and plug it in. And if you want one, you can look in the description below, because once that liquid propane freeze up, the burners will shut off and you don't get gas, so it don't get up to the temperature it is needed. So that's one thing I've learned. And I also learned another thing from this guy. His name is God Shelter. You see right here, he has a Nigerian food truck. And he recommended to me that I get a convection oven or a stove with 6 burners that you can keep stuff warmed in. And I understand why now. Because trying to cook that food, the nuggets, you can cook them, but you need to cook enough for like 100 or 200 and put them in the oven and keep them warm. And that's a great idea. Plus, if you're doing other things, you're doing catering, you would have an oven in your food truck. So that's one modification I will do. I will be putting a convection oven. And he gave me good advice and I gave him good advice. So this is some advice for you guys out there. If you're going to be doing any catering, make sure you have a convection oven, because here in Houston, they consider this as a commissary, your truck as a commissary. So everything must be cooked on your truck. So you can cook it on your truck in advance and put it in your warmers and keep it warmed up until you get to the event. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.